for the region, it's easy. If you draw a 500-mile radius around St. Louis, you've captured a large part of the U.S. agricultural production. And our corn, our soybeans, and our cotton seeds with new biotechnology traits are giving growers the opportunity to improve yields and their productivity. But it goes beyond that. We're selling biotechnology traits now in 20 countries around the world, and literally tens of millions of farmers are getting the opportunity to use these new seeds to improve their yields and profitability.
Our leadership has chosen to compete, if you will, in a large number of therapeutic areas. So relative to other pharmaceutical companies, we're doing research in a vast array of pharmaceutical areas, research areas, disease states, all the way from oncology to prophylactic vaccines, to therapeutic vaccines, to cardiovascular health, and everything in between.
Missouri is a good state for biomass research, which is a very life sciences oriented activity. So how to look at things such as algae, or things such as biomass or switchgrass or biofermenters. So there's a lot of biology, biotechnology that goes into that, and that's going to be part of the future of our state.
Between the plant sciences that are located within the region and the life sciences, we have a very significant infrastructure of highly educated researchers and technicians, postdocs, that are at the disposal of companies that come in and locate here in this region.
We collaborate with lots of investigators at universities, both in St. Louis and elsewhere. But we also collaborate a lot with international partners. We have partners, for example, in sub-Saharan Africa who are helping, or who are actually spearheading the field trials for some of the technology that we're developing in crops like cassava.
From top down, from Governor Nixon to the Missouri Technology Corporation to local municipalities, we're starting to put resources in place to actually help these innovations get off the ground and actually get to market.
I don't know that there's another state in the country or another region worldwide that has such a convergence of assets and strengths in human health, animal health, and plant sciences, all in one state.
We have a nice access to resources, money. We have access to legacy. So a lot of innovation, and a lot of older companies that continue to innovate are here in the St. Joseph area and in the Kansas City corridor. And we have access to what I believe is emerging is a strong workforce educated and trained in biotechnology.
I think we're in the initial phases of really accelerating our growth. There's been tremendous progress, tremendous collaborations occurring, and really a lot of focused strategies to advance things in a collaborative way that elevate the region at the national and international level.